Welcome to the Quokka Quilts and Perth Modern Quilt Guild Quilt As You Go free motion quilt along. Welcome to the Waves and Fishes block. This is one of our line blocks. First thing you need to do is draw yourself 4 registration lines in your marker, top, bottom and 2 in the middle. Measurements don't matter too much, you just need to make sure you've got them there to give yourself a guide. Once you've done that and you're ready to sew, you're going to start with the waves, and this is a really simple design, just going up and curving around. It's sort of part of it's like a spiral design, but without all the complications that are involved in that. So we're going up and around, curling back, and there we go. And there's our waves. Easy? Now the difficult bit. For the second one, we're going to start in the middle, and we're going to go up and over and come almost back to the middle, do a slightly curvy line up, straight line down, and then we're going to start again, go up and over, it's like a half circle, do a slightly curvy line up and almost down to the middle, and we're just going to keep doing that till we get to the end. Whoops, and and the nice thing is, of course, with free motion you can backtrack and fix up or not worry about your mistakes at all. So I've got to the end, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come all the way down and I'm going to repeat that pattern. And you can see here are our fishes. There we go. Now the last thing about that line design is you can get creative and really let your ideas run away with you. So do you remember those dancing dollies that you used to make out of paper, where you just sort of fold your paper and cut one shape? It's a similar sort of concept. You can do a whole line of dancing dollies. So we are at the end of the dolly, and we're going to go down, and there's her skirt, there's her arm, next one's arm, next one's skirt, do, skirt. Now you can give them legs if you want, so maybe we'll have some men in between the ladies. And there we go, there's a whole line of what Helen Godden calls spirit dancers and what I call dancing dollies. You could also draw yourself a line of pussycats or a line of Union Jacks. As you can see, there's no need for those lines to be straight. If you can be brave, you can try and go for a wavy line as well, but it is a good idea to draw your lines.